Thursday. The winds are too bad to go up on top. We're having 50, 55 mile per hour gusts. Wind chill's about -13, something like that. It's extremely cold. We didn't go out this morning. The winds were even worse this morning than what they are right now. There was about a sustained wind of about 25 or 30 miles an hour with 50 mile per hour gusts. It was just too dangerous to try to go out. So we stayed in camp, and then this afternoon we're still having gusts. The wind's still blowing, probably about 10 or 15 mile an hour, but the gusts are still sometimes probably about 50, but we're in the bottom down here. They're not as bad down here. So me and Dad's hunting the bottoms, and got a real pretty spot right here, but I don't expect to see anything. I really don't. We're gonna give it a shot though. Sometimes the places where you don't think you'll see something's the places where you do. But weather's supposed to be bad again tomorrow. Not as bad as what it was today. But I'm going to try my best to go back up on top tomorrow, at least for a little while. My spot up there was pretty active. Killed me not to go up there today, but with the winds as bad as they are, I don't know if the deer would have been moving up there anyway. I'm gonna get back to hunting, get quiet. Might hunt till dark. It's not a hard walk out of here. Not like up there on the mountain. There's so much stuff down on the trail that leads up to where we hunt. Trying to do that in the dark's dangerous. So we don't hunt till dark up there anymore. Right here I might. It's a pretty easy walk to get back out to the road. I'll flip the camera around here in a minute. Kind of give you a view of what I see. Sorry, I'm a little distracted. There's a lot to look at here. So, y'all stick with us. Hopefully it's warm where you are. It's cold right here. My jacket's windproof, and that wind chill's so cold that I can still feel the cold through the jacket. I hate wearing a hood. I hate covering my ears. I like to be able to hear. But any exposed skin just feels like it's getting hit with knives, little needles. My face is killing me, but I can't wear a face mask because I got glasses. It kills me. So y'all stick with us. Probably hear my camera arm popping and cracking. That's how cold it is. It's not as loud as what the camera makes it seem. Sorry. That's what I'm looking at. Right up on the top there. You can't really see it in the video. But right up there on the top, right about there. There's a thicket up there that's on that point. And it kind of goes around that whole bench up there. I thought I might catch them sneaking around the lower side of that. Just over here, that way, there's a draw that goes up. So I thought I might be able to catch them sneaking around through there. We'll see. Hey folks, it is Thursday, December the 5th. You know, we're in here for an afternoon hunt, but we're not up on the mountain. We're across from the camper up on Meta Mountain, the southwest side of Meta Mountain. Watching up this hollow here, a couple draws. We went to White Sulphur yesterday to get gas for the generator. We've pretty much had to keep the generator running constant. Because like this morning it was down low teens to the single digits, and the wind chill factor with the winds was below 0. And this morning we opted just to stay in, but we didn't want to waste the whole day, so we decided to come out this afternoon. Those winds started picking up. It was yesterday evening, but they were supposed to be 20 to 25 mile per hour, gusting to 45 to 50 mile per hour. And it's been that way all day. And we decided, it was about noon, that we need to get out here and hunt. And you know, Jerod had a lot of action yesterday. I didn't have any, but the way that wind is up on the mountain, those 50, 45 mile per hour wind gusts, it's dangerous up there. So we're kind of in a sheltered area here. We're down in the bottom. We're not, I don't know what the elevation is, but up there it's 2,400, 2,500, 2,600 feet in elevation up there. And standing at camp looking up, we could see the pines just rocking back and forth. So we're in here now, like I said, afternoon, evening hunt. Don't know how long we'll stay in here. The winds are starting to calm down. It's supposed to die down tonight. Tomorrow though, we're not going to have the 50 mile per hour wind gusts. I think we're supposed to have like 25 mile per hour. Well, we can hunt in that. And Jerod's talking about he wants to go back up on the mountain, so we'll probably do that. I may not go out there on my ridge I hunt. I may hunt in what we call Pawpaw's Holler. It's where my father-in-law used to hunt. That way I'm not having to go past Jerod and spook anything that might be coming in. So I'll give you a little panoramic view of where we're at. He's way that way up another draw. So let me get the camera and I'll show you where we're at. Okay, that's towards the west, and you can see a little knoll right there. Up here's this draw, and it goes up and it forks. And I got this little point out here. Excuse me. And then it goes down through there. Down into there, and of course I'm sorry,
there's other draws. You know, you can see the. I don't even know if you can see the road down there, but my back's to the road because I'm hunting, watching that. Hopefully, something come around about a quarter way down. Again, I apologize. It's this dry air. And maybe catch something cross through there. Let me try to zoom in. So you can see up there some pines. But this is this holler going up forks left and right. Part of it goes out over up in there. So I'm gonna concentrate on hunting. Just wanted to report. Y'all stay tuned.
Well, it'll be dark here. Maybe about 30-40 minutes. We'll start losing the light. It's also starting to cloud up pretty good. We're supposed to get some snow flurries. These negative wind chills have done whooped me. I'm gonna head out. I think Dad's gonna stay in and hunt another 20 minutes or so, 20 or 30. He's gonna try to push it longer to dark. I need to get a warmer hunting coat. We have the outfits that we were given to, use and give reviews on from New View, but for these temperatures, you're talking negative 13 degree wind chills, maybe colder. Their outfit's warm, but it's not warm enough for that. So I went to my scent lock outfit that I've wore for quite a few years. It's always kept me pretty warm, but I've never really hunted in this. This is the coldest hunting season that me and Dad's rifle hunted in a long time. And this jacket's really a mid-season, late October, early November. When it starts getting real cold, this doesn't have enough insulation in it. It's windproof, but once the outer shell gets cold, and it's so cold that it actually cools the inside, the wind ain't getting to you, but the jacket's now starting to fight you because it's cold. I'm gonna have to get something that's better insulated for these types of temperatures. But it is cold. I haven't seen anything. I don't think Dad hasn't seen anything either. I don't think they're moving in this wind. I think this was a waste of time anyway. But, thank y'all for watching. No action yet again. But that's a part of hunting. I guess freezing is too. So I'm gonna go get warm. We will see you all tomorrow morning, hopefully back up on the mountain.
Well, folks, it's been an awful hunting video season for us. It's almost 20 after 4. And the temperatures have dropped. We still got wind blowing. We still got some gusts. Jared's already radioed me about 10-15 minutes ago that he was froze and he was headed back to the camper. I think I'm doing the same thing. I've got these alpaca fingerless gloves on, and when I use a gun, I like to have my trigger finger exposed. But I have these gloves that I put on over. Here's the other one. I don't have it on. But that wind is bitterly cold. I've grunted a few times. I've sat here, I've watched up that hall. I've kind of watched over here to my right, if I'm back is to the camera. And I haven't seen nothing. I've seen one little blue and white bird come in a little while ago, just a chirping and chirping and chirping. Flew up in a broken tree into the top of it. I guess it's got a nest there. And it's already nested. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start out of here. I've got to walk down this hill, 100 yards, 150 yards, maybe 200 yards before I can get to the road, and then walk back up the road to camp. So appreciate you watching. I wish we had more stuff going on for you, but Mother Nature's not cooperating with us this year. We had the issues with the camper Friday and Saturday, and it's just been one thing after another. We're having problems getting the generator started. Finally got it started, and that was this evening before we come, or this afternoon before we come up here. So as it's getting closer, I mean, it's still about half hour, 40 minutes before sunset. Like I said, the temperatures are dropping. The sun is not hitting here. We have partly cloudy skies. It's just not, I don't think it's in the books for us this year. But we'll bring you what we can bring you. We're not giving up. We're going to be out in the morning. The wind's supposed to die down. Still supposed to be windy, but not like it has been today. So y'all just stay with us. Appreciate you watching. That's what Fon's saying. We'll see you in the woods. Okay, folks, here we got some deer tenderloin from the 6 Point from 2023. We got some collard greens. We're gonna have some shells and cheese, or macaroni and cheese, for dinner on this cold December 5th. Y'all stay tuned.